Happy Friday, everyone. This is JJ with Merit Plumbing. Just wanted to do another helpful video for you. If you're doing any remodeling in your home, if you're going to replace a vanity, kitchen cabinets, I always recommend if when you look under the kitchen sink or the vanity, or once you have those cabinets pulled out of the way, if you have a copper drain pipe sticking out, I strongly recommend just go ahead and open that wall and contact a plumber and have them come out and replace this copper drain and at least the cast iron T. There's going to be a horizontal copper drain pipe here that's going to go over to a cast iron T and replace that section of pipe, because this copper drain is going to leak. It's just a matter of time. And it always seems to be, it's Murphy's Law. You're going to put in that new vanity, brand new kitchen cabinets, and it's going to be like a year later. It's just the way it works out that copper drain is going to leak. You're going to go to do dishes or wash your hands one day, and water is going to start to pour out the bottom of the wall. I have a call a little later this week, and that's what I'm expecting to find. When they were using the water in their vanity, it started all pouring out the base of the cabinet. So I'll show you here real quick. We'll take a walk over here to the kitchen where we're working. So over here, this is where the kitchen sink used to be. They used to have two copper drains coming across and out to here, and they had a cast iron pipe there that went all the way out through the roof for the vent. So I cut out all that cast iron today, and we're gonna put in all new PVC. So that way when they get all their beautiful new cabinets in and they have a beautiful new kitchen, they don't have to worry about either that copper drain or that cast iron getting a crack and leaking.